Hello, Nomad Sculpt. I called the video Move the Nodes or the Wire. Okay, let's go to the Nomad Sculpt app. So, this mesh, this are only a few steps to do this. Okay, but I make a clear scene and I demonstrate it first with a cube. And the division is sometimes very helpful to explain it. In the symmetry, I've activated show plane, and we need the symmetry for this. We need the planes, and when this is the symmetry plane, and I hope you can see it. It's in the center of the mesh, and use a division, a even number, and because 4 is okay, but 5, the symmetry is exactly aligned with a grid. Yes, and then it's not. Then your symmetry is not okay. But it works also when you adjust the object. But it's better to have an even number. Okay, let's go back to 4. I validate the object. And the symmetry center is here in the center of the object. And now, in the symmetry, the x-plane is active. And when you turn on the left side the symmetry, the gizmo jumps. And now it's possible to scale the object. And it's also possible to use the ball to scale your grid. And now you can adjust the grid. And with the arrow you can adjust the size of the object. And you can change the planes. For example, now I use the blue one, and you can now symmetry is on, and you can adjust it the same way. Then it looks like this. And the last thing is you use the last plane and scale the grid. And now you can, yes, I hope you understand how it works. Okay, I go back a few steps, and another option is to use in combination the thing. You can use the cell mask. In the cell mask, check your settings, front face vertex, turn it off or on, turn the symmetry off, and here you can mask parts, and now you can use the symmetry again and change your plane to the right plane and go back to the gizmo. And now the masked part stays fixed, and you can now use the ball to scale and the arrow to scale. And it's also possible, when you turn off the symmetry, to change your position of the rest of the grid. And now turn on symmetry again, And now you can rearrange this one. Symmetry off, bring it in position, symmetry on, scale it. Yes, this is how it works. Okay. Let's test it with a sphere. Validate the object. And now here's the plane aligned with the symmetry axis. Place it between and turn on the symmetry. Now you can scale the object. And you can adjust it here. Flatten it and do such a object. And you can change the planes. Adjust it a little bit. Use the symmetry. And you can flatten it. Okay. It's also possible to use the split function. Rectangular, turn off the hole filling, and front facing vertex only off. And now you can bring in splits. You can simple merge the whole object again and weld it together. And now you can use the cell mask. This time we need front face vertex only, and mask a part. You can sharpen it, but in this case it's not needed. And use the gizmo. And now you can scale it like this. And now you can test what happens when you use this plane, or you can change the plane. Active symmetry. And you can invert the mask and see what happens when you do it like this. Oh. So you can create some crazy parts. Okay, that's it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.